The YIHUA 1000B 4-in-1 soldering station combines multiple functions, including infrared heating, preheating, soldering, and hot air reworking, making it a versatile tool for various electronic projects. Equipped with a temperature sensor, the infrared system ensures precise heat control, protecting sensitive components from overheating during intricate tasks. The station features a high-quality ceramic plate preheater that delivers even heating and stability, enhancing the efficiency of your soldering and reworking activities. This station incorporates advanced features such as intelligent heat control, digital temperature calibration, and a fail-safe design for the hot air gun, ensuring safety and precision in your work. A built-in LED lamp provides excellent illumination, allowing you to work on detailed projects with enhanced visibility and accuracy. With a robust design and comprehensive technical support, the YIHUA 1000B is a reliable choice for professionals seeking a multifunctional soldering station.